Hi there, it's Deborah with Hail Recon. I wanted to show you hail replay and how you can see where the hail's been detected in the area, and we're talking about these rural areas. I've already dropped a marker at that address. You can see here. I pulled an impact report, so if I look at impact reports, here's the one I created. And it's showing, so I've got all of these dates, but there's no hail at location, but there is hail within a mile, 3 miles, and 10 miles. So what I wanted to do is, first of all, look at these two dates, because they do have 1 inch hail within 10 miles on this one, within 3 miles on this one, on 4/9/21. So to take a closer look, first of all, let me show you how to change the date of loss. So if I want to look at this 4/9/21 date, then I can go to the top of this impact report and choose change date of loss and select April 9th, 21 and save the report date of loss. And when I scroll down now, so it shows there's no hail at the property, but it is forecasted, and this house is in the forecasted area for 1.35 inch hail at 8:21 p.m. And at 7:55 p.m. it was forecasted for 0.75 inch hail. Now, I don't see any spotter information for this one, so I did want to look at the other date, and spotters are those NOAA certified people that are calling in information. Let's look at 5/10 date. So we're going to go back to the same thing, change date of loss, choose May 10th, save it. Now when I scroll down, it still says there's no hail that was detected at the property. Let me close that. We do have some wind observed. That's bringing down power lines near Goldana, and 1.25 inch hail predicted 5:17 to 6 p.m. So now let's take a look at the map, see what that looks like. So let's first look at this 5/10 date. So I'm going to go back to the maps. I'm changing the date up here at the top, 5/10/21. This is the hail swath, and it shows that the address is not in the hail swath. So let's just close this part. We can still see where the address is. Now what I want to do is choose hail replay. That's this orange button. And then I'm going to include a wider area around our marker so we kind of get an idea of what direction the storm's going. So there's 2 radar towers that we could look at that's collected data for this. I'm going to choose the first one, let it pull that timeline, and again this is for the May 10th date. So here's the timeline, and if I just hit the play button, it's going to start showing you those images. So each of these bars represents an image that was taken. Here's the time. So at 4:57 p.m. it detected hail here. All this red and purple is hail. Purple just represents volume of hail. So there's more dense hail that's falling in that particular area, in this over here. I can hit the forward button a few times, just kind of watch how the hail is coming through the area. From west to east, kind of southeast. You can see your house that we're concerned about. I'm going to back up a couple. So here it shows that there's hail at the property and also in there. I'm just going to back up some more and forward. So at 5:15 and 5:18, So, I mean, imagine, so this in here and this as it's coming through. Now, 518 and the one before that was, so 3 minutes. 3 minutes from here to here. And then from 518 to 521, another 3 minutes. Still have scattered hail in through here. So that's what I was talking about. So we actually did get hail at the property. The radar tower is not seeing it as half inch, but we may have our meteorologist look at it to see if that should have been included in the half inch hail zone area. So that's what hail replay is about.